The diamond extrusion tool is also called the diamond disc cutter. The diamond disc cutter slides on the surface through the diamond, so that the material surface produces plastic deformation, so as to achieve a smooth mirror. According to different materials, can be divided into natural diamond, commonly known as diamond, higher precision, longer service life. Composed of man-made single crystal diamonds, diamonds are selected according to the size of the R radius, from the appearance of the tool. Natural diamond color is deep. Commonly used specifications have diamond diameter R1, R2, R3, 3 specifications, handle diameter of 8 mm. First, select the appropriate tool holder according to the requirements. The extrusion tool fixed in the head of the tool holder. The tool holder can be adjusted manually according to the requirements, and the higher telescopic tool holder with spring can also be selected. The conventional tool handle has two kinds of 20 square and 25 square diamond hob instead of the original secondary processing, such as grinding, honing and polishing. Make the surface finish below RZ 1.0 roughness, improve the hardness of the workpiece surface, eliminate the residual traces of tool processing and small surface defects. In order to achieve the mirror effect, the surface roughness of the last cutting process of the workpiece should be within RZ 15 The accuracy after extrusion can reach RA 0.4 RA 0.8. And the machining allowance is 0.01 mm. The surface quality and tool life can be improved by adding emulsion when the rolling amount is 0.01 to 0.05 mm. The harder the processed material is, the shorter the tool life is and the faster the wear is. The above data are only for reference. There are many specifications and types of diamond extrusion cutters, and various sizes can be customized according to customer requirements.